If I had to describe my first 10 years farming, write a memoir about it, the title of that book would be Beautiful Hell. I had struggles with yields, and I had all of these people's money up front, which is something I learned quickly about CSA. It's not the model for me. What I would enjoy most, which is kind of picking out the things I enjoy growing and then figuring out how to sell some of it. There's enough bounty and there's enough beauty with the space that it is a better match for my style. I think CSA really kind of put radishes back on the map. And like now you see Swiss chard in all the grocery stores. When we started back in 2004 and did this for 10 years, there was no Swiss chard at the beginning in any of the grocery stores. The model was really important in getting people to understand seasonality, getting them to try new things, and kind of saying, hey, we have to support farms. I love growing peas, and peas grow super well in Vermont, so that's why I moved to Vermont. Really love the garden feel, the garden vibe, being able to do stuff by hand. The idea of gardens being this like restorative space for people in times where there seems to be like losing of minds. This is why we're focusing on flower power.